Ever wondered how chatbots work? Or maybe you're just looking for a fun project to dive into the world of coding. Well, I've got just the thing for you. In this video, we're going to show you how easy and exciting it is to create your own chatbot using Scratch. And the best part? You can get started with a simple guide that will walk you through everything you need to know. Welcome back to the MaxLexiBot channel, where we explore all aspects of AI. Today we're locking into AI for fun, using Scratch to create your own chatbot. Scratch is a beginner-friendly programming language that makes learning to code feel like a game. And chatbots, they're the interactive helpers you've probably talked to on websites or in apps, answering questions, helping you book things, or just having a little chat. Imagine being able to build one yourself, no coding experience required. This tutorial is perfect for anyone curious about coding. Whether you're a student, a parent, or a teacher looking for a fun way to introduce coding to kids. Parents, this is an amazing way to spark creativity and problem-solving skills. Teachers, you can use this in the classroom to bring coding to life in an interactive, engaging way. So, what can your chatbot actually do? Well, you can make it answer questions, tell jokes, or even help with simple tasks like math or spelling. It's a great way to learn logic and structure, all in an easy, fun format that builds confidence in coding and tech. If you're looking for a clear, step-by-step guide to help you create your chatbot, I've put together a simple tutorial that breaks everything down. It's packed with helpful tips, tricks, and extra ideas on how to expand your chatbot's features. It's perfect for anyone who wants to learn coding while having fun. If you're ready to dive in, the tutorial is available for download. Just check out the link in the description below for our MaxLexia Shopify store. It's the perfect way to get started with Scratch and chatbot creation, and it's designed to make learning coding an easy and fun experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fun coding projects. See you in the next video.
Yeah.